What's going on, guys? Amazing Nico Productions here, and today I can show you guys my Lego custom Captain Boomerang. And yeah, I will say like that because I guess he got a kind of British accent or what. I don't know. Get on to the minifigures. And yeah, and actually this figure turns out really well, so I hope you guys will like it. And yeah, just get started from the bottom, the legs, just the regular black pants. Ah, good old black pants, isn't it? And you can see the boomerang is some pieces from Legos. And the big deal is the really detailed is the torso print. I printed by myself. You can see it got a kind of coat and belt, I guess, all over his chest. And I even draw the side of it. You can see here, got a little bit on his shoulder. It's a really detailed minifigure. I really like it. And yeah, just a lot of boomerang on that belt. And back here, just got a little details. You can see just button. And the face is the Wolverine's face I got from the fake Lego. And just the regular Lego City Thug head. So yeah, it's a pretty short video because I only customized the torso. So probably like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, buddies.